Hello, my name is Sean. I'm with American Medical Oxygen Concentrator Store. Welcome to our Breathe Easy series, and today we have a question from Eric. Eric wanted to know if the Inogen G3 can be used in a car. And good question, Eric. Actually, it can be used in the car. There's a lot of advantages of using this particular unit in the car. But let me just kind of tell you how it actually works. The unit does come with an adapter, so you can plug this G3 into your car's DC outlet and use it that way. In fact, it charges your battery at the same time when you're doing it that way. So let's just say you're running an errand, like you're going to the grocery store or whatever the case may be, or you're just out and about throughout the day. You can take this unit, put it in your DC outlet in your car, and just run it as long as you possibly need to. If you're on a long road trip, this is an excellent way to use your unit without having to use the battery. Again, it's charging your battery at the same time. So you can go long road trips, not have to worry about your battery being depleted, if you will. So excellent question, Eric. If you have any other questions, again, my name is Sean. You can give us a call at 877-303-9289. Thanks a lot.